Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making slow cooker beans. You will need one 20-ounce package of 15-bean soup mix, one 12-ounce package of andouille sausage, 1/2 pound of chicken breast, 4 cups of chicken stock, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of celery, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Slice the andouille sausage and chicken into small pieces, then set them aside. Place the chicken in the slow cooker, then season with the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Now add your sausage and dry beans. Add the celery, onion, and garlic, then pour in the water and chicken stock. Mix all of the ingredients well, then cover and allow it to cook on high for 4 hours. After 4 hours, turn off the heat, then it is ready to serve. This is one of my favorite winter recipes that's easy to make and tastes great. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab